Got a little mod I'm doing to the crankcase breather. First thing you're going to want to get is this right here from your parts store. Any parts store. I got this from Advanced Auto. Part number is C87617. They make a Gates one, but this ain't the Gates one. CarQuest. I got some medium-sized hose clamps, and I got little baby hose clamps just in case I need them. I got a 5/8 attachment, so I can attach one side to this hose and then connect my 6-foot hose to the other side of this and crimp it down. And then I'm going to use, I got a 6-foot hose here, $6, 14, 6, 2, 2, 2, and like $1.50, so probably about $25 worth of stuff. Not bad. Because my crankcase breather, that little catch can is filling up and getting oil all over my engine bay, so I'm gonna run this straight back past the firewall so it dumps out the back and don't have no mess all over my motor no more. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what's going on. Out here with the Cummins 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 two-wheel drive, 24 valve, 5.9 liter. Doing the crankcase breather mod. She's dirty today. I got it cleaned up, valve cover's clean, looking good. Taking that hose off and putting on my new one and running it straight back. If you can see way down at the bottom there, catch can. I don't know if I can put my hand on it or not. 1 second. There we go. You got the catch can way down here. Literally like a little can sitting there that fills up. And the oil gets everywhere. It hits the fan. It clogs up your radiator. I just put a new fan clutch on, so that's looking good. But let me get this one off. All you gotta do is grab your clamps, pop this hose clamp up, take this off. I think it's a bolt holding on your catch can down there, one bolt, and to come right out. And your new hose, 5/8 hose, connect it with your 5/8 connector, and then run it straight back and cut it where you need it. And pretty easy install. Stay tuned, I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can see from the bottom right here, your bolts, you're going to want to get that bolt from the bottom on your catch can. There's the catch can right there, a little circle thing. It's going to be like a 10 mil or 8 mil. I'll let you guys know in a second. And then that's about it. I just wiped it off. It was drips all over it. Just catching the fan and blowing it all over the engine bay. So stay tuned. Get that off real quick. It's right in there. There she is. There's the catch can. Get her out of there. So I took that off. Here's your 10 mil bolt. It's a 10 mil wrench. Little baby bolt, kind of hard to get to. Right when I pulled it off, spilled a bunch of oil out of the catch can. It was full. So that's what's getting all over my engine bay. So there's your hose that goes down just like that. Boom, connects onto that. And your circle thing here on your front cover. So that connects right there. Boom, just like that. Here's your old one. This connects down here like that. But so first thing you want to do is all your parts out, all your materials. See, there's the one I got. I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit, maybe right here a little bit, just so it sits a little snugger up there. Probably gonna cut it about an inch or two off. Connect that back on, and then go ahead and throw my attachment on here. Boom, just like that. Boom, boom. Push it in there, put a hose clamp on it, and then run my big one straight underneath all the way to the back a little bit, like under the cab somewhere. And that's pretty much it. There's all your parts you need. Just take this clamp off. It's going to be a 10 mil holding it on from right there, right onto the block. Take the 10 mil out of there, and you can just throw this junk out of here. This thing is just garbage. Literally, it was probably halfway full of oil. Whatever the holes are on the side from it spilling out the time being. And that's about it. Let me put the install in. I'll show you guys when it's back here. There's your new attachment right here. I put the 5/8 splitter in there, and it connects both the hoses. So now I got them connected. I got the hose clamps on there, clamped down. I cut this to the right size to match that one. Maybe a little bit off, but not a big deal. I just didn't want it sticking up. So now it's gonna be a little lower on there. I put the old clamp back on there. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna use my hose clamps, but it should work. So there's the old one. There's your mesh that comes with the old one. Now when I slap this one in, it should be A1. Pretty easy. The bolt to take your old catch can off is 10 mil, and it holds on by this clamp up top. Take the clamp off, take the 10 mil off, it comes right up. Be careful you don't spill it like I did. And then over here, you got your 10 mil hose clamps, 5/8 attachment, 5/8 hose. I bought this one separate, so it got the U on it like a cane. 14 bucks, 6 bucks, 2 bucks. Attachment was probably $1.50, $2. So altogether, you know, 30 bucks, 25 bucks, not bad for a little quick mod. Crankcase breather. So breather tube. So give me a minute and I'll be back in a second with the install. Really easy. We're looking good. Got the hose down there. Got my hose clamp back on. You can see the other 2 hose clamps holding it on. Let me get under here. Here she is dangling. Here she is. I'm gonna set her up and have her go towards the back a little bit, maybe zip tie her or something. But it's coming down from one side of the frame and it dangles here. I'm gonna hook it up. She should be ready to go. Stay tuned. Appreciate it. There she is, guys. There's the breather. There's a little hole for a bolt or something. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. More mods to come. Colder intake coming. Intake horns coming next. And then maybe injectors, gauges, a couple other things coming. Stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. Appreciate it.